Snowfall of 2022. As you can see, the snowfall is still going on. It's amazing to see every winter the white gold is coming from heaven. And this is my sweet home where we were enjoying the snowfall. Yes, you can see the white flakes coming from the sky. I always found this really, really refreshing and always wanted to enjoy this weather. It looks amazing when you look at the sky and the snowfall is going on. Wow, enjoy this. And this is the morning. And now, as you can see, the tiger's footsteps behind my house. I saw this thing in the morning. And now this is the refreshing sunrise. These are the pretty cool morning vibes. And